SHIB's popularity among Web3's biggest senders is old news at this point. Their recent spending, on the other hand, is unusual and may be a precursor to a major change. Many of them have been buying up the token. That has led many to speculate that Musk is complicit in the unfolding events. If you're curious about the same thing, you can keep watching the video to get the answer. Yes, it seems that whales have been buying a lot of SHIB in the recent days. Etherscan, there were 766 billion SHIB tokens purchased by unknown whales in less than 24 hours, according to the account that monitors token sales. Perhaps even more intriguing is the fact that all of these acquisitions occurred across only 3 separate deals. About 485 billion tokens were bought in the first round. There were roughly 100 billion tokens bought in the second round, and 190 billion SHIB tokens bought in the third. At the time of acquisition, the total value of the tokens was around $9.3 million. There has been a large investment in a large number of tokens, leading some to speculate that the whales may have insider knowledge that the rest of us lack. Is it feasible that they know something about, say, Shiba Inu that the rest of us don't? Since Siberian's purpose is to boost the token's value, it makes sense that they would do so in anticipation of a price increase. Because of this new turn of events, Shiba Inu is being looked at as a possible prompter for the recent whale purchases. If you saw yesterday's video, you know that someone in Siberia set up a Twitter account. Charbonnet has yet to tweet, but as of the time this video was made, he already had roughly 26.0 ICQ followers. A recent post made reference to the SHIB's official Twitter account as one of their followers. The crypto fundamentalist claims that the tweet raised SHIB Army's hopes for the eventual release of the Siberian Layer 2 solution. Satoshi Kusama, the game's principal developer, has stated in a series of tweets that he is now focusing exclusively on genuine barium, and that the team is very close to releasing a beta version. The Shiba Inu team, however, has not yet announced a firm release date. Since the Layer 2 solution has its own official Twitter channel, perhaps this is what is enticing whales to buy so many tokens, despite the fact that there is still no official launch date. Or perhaps they are aware of the exact release date for Siberia. Lots of SHIB tokens are being bought up right now, and it doesn't make sense that they would do so arbitrarily. In order for you to grasp the meaning of my words, in addition to the acquisitions we've already mentioned, another top whale bought 133.5 billion SHIB in 3 separate transactions during the previous 24 hours, valuing the whole buy at around $1.6 million. Upon being live, this wallet promptly spent $401,000 on 33.33 billion tokens, followed by another $1.2 million on purchases of 100.2 billion tokens across 2 transactions. Keep in mind that all of these transactions are occurring with a single wallet. There should be no surprise that Shiba Inu is the most popular token held by Ethereum whales, as reported by market observer Guru. Shiba Inu remains the most held asset among the 2,000 greatest Ethereum whales, despite the widespread pessimism and skepticism plaguing the market. The total value of Shiba Inu tokens held by the aforementioned class of whales as of Monday was over $102.2 million. It's possible that the increased SHIB purchases by whales are due to the anticipation of the upcoming Siberian launch. Another possible explanation involves Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk. You can expect Twitter to launch its own cryptocurrency wallet if you've been following videos on this channel. In truth, preparations had been made but had to be put on hold just recently. SHIB might be enlisted as a payment mechanism if the plans are revived, which would do wonders for the pricing of ships. It stands to reason that these whales are stocking up on SHIB in case of just such an emergency. But even if that is not the reason now, it may be the cause somewhere down the line, especially if Musk publicly promotes SHIB as a payment option on Twitter. But all of these are hypotheses, so do not make judgments solely on what has been said here. Make sure you look into this on your own. In addition, please feel free to leave your thoughts for us in the comments box below. For what possible reason do you suppose these whales are making such astronomical purchases? As you leave your thoughts in the comment section below, keep in mind that SHIB's price is showing signs of entering speculative territory. If you look at the Shiba Inu SHIB 4-hour chart closely today, you may see a bull flag, as you have suggested. Like a parallelogram, a bull flag chart suggests a trend consolidation before a significant breakthrough. It happens when prices swing within a short range after strong increases, so it looks like everything is looking up SHIB if these purchases continue to materialize, and the circumstances that are fueling these purchases come to fruition. She might embark into a major bullish run, probably such that we haven't seen yet. However, keep in mind that I am not offering financial guidance. Make sure to do your own research. Keep in mind that you can do all of your crypto-related business on FairDesk, regardless of what you might decide to do with it depending on your study. You can buy or sell a large selection of cryptocurrencies on the platform, and exchanges happen quickly and easily. The fact that your initial purchase is rewarded with a bonus of 4% is icing on the cake. As an aside, there has been some chatter about SHIB, and it has to do with the newly established Barium that Twitter handle. But before we get to that, you should know that this station gives out 100,000 chips every day. Subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video is all that's required. Has Shiba Inu. Best of luck. It seems that any Barium-related information, such as protocol revisions, updates, and other news, will be disseminated via the BarriorMate Twitter handle. Once QA Barium has been released, it appears that the Twitter handle will keep on doing what it has been doing thus far. Now, it is clear that the Shiba Inu community is enthusiastic about Barium, as seen by the rapid growth in the number of BariumNet's followers. However, although some community members are okay with the dev team taking their time to produce something great, other people think the development team has dragged their feet long enough and the platform should be released immediately. Whatever your opinion, the bottom fact is that we all can't wait for QA Barium to be launched. Meanwhile, here are some other developments in the SHIB trade. Sheikh Joshi recently talked with Shibani in a post on the Shiba Inu official blog, and the post offers updates on a variety of Shiba Inu projects, starting with Shiba Eternity. We learned that over 250,000 individuals have already downloaded and are playing the game, and that the development team is already working on an in-person tournament. When it comes to the recently released Player's Handbook, Shitoshi updated us on the latest developments. He remarked that the manual is a live document, meaning it will evolve and adapt over time. The game grows and changes as well, and I believe that the dev team or Shitoshi will keep us updated as those changes happen. An update on the new NFT was also provided by Shitoshi. He mentioned that AI technology was employed to develop the NFT and gave a link for purchasing. When asked about the team's decision to employ AI, Hitoshi explained that he believes AI has a role to play within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, but that he intends to remain critically aware of its potential and limitations at all times. As it turns out, its skills were put to good use while developing the Shiba Inu and FTX breeds. The SHIB burns, in the end, have kept pumping like crazy. In the end, the week last week was great for SHIB burns. Even if it didn't start out that way, the community destroyed about 200 million